Machiegni kendo nyako Ramogi koro wadonje weche mag tuke kama od bura mamalo gi mano mar Senate nokawo thuolo mar ywago Kelvin Kiptum ka paro koro ichwalo mondo tim nonro ewi tho mar jatugono mane en jahigni 24. Jatend kweth jood bura mathoth e od bura mar Senate Aaron Cheruiyot bende nolero ni dwaro nitie mar puonjo jotugo kaka ginyalo rito ngimagi ka seneta ma Migori Eddie Oketch to wacho ni kaka rawera giwito jalo mane nyalo medo rieny ne piny Kenya kendo medo weyo rekod mag ng'wekenda.
Mr. Speaker, I could not believe when I heard the news about Kelvin Kiptum that just when his career was taking off, just when he was becoming a global brand, just when everything looked up for him, we lost that young man in the most tragic of circumstances. I want to also take this opportunity on my own behalf of my family, on behalf of the ODM party, for which I am the SG, to condole with the family of Kelvin Kiptum and to just say that we pray that God rests his soul in eternal peace.
I remember when Kipchoge, Eliud, was attempting to do a sub-2, Mr. Speaker, that entire day we as young people camped at KICC to be able to witness this great man making history. And this year, one of my biggest delights for this year and one of the things I wanted to see was somebody doing it actually in official time. And we really were hoping that Kevin will bring this home.
There are many things that Kenyans are saying, and we must learn to listen. The Minister for Sports, I saw he visited the home of Kiptum yesterday, but then we look forward to hearing what is it that we as a country have learned over time, because this is not the first athlete at the peak of their career that we have lost. You remember many of them have found themselves even in love triangles and many such kind of things, Mr. Speaker, and have ended their life at very young age, Mr. Speaker. Therefore, want to say fare thee well, Kelvin. We know that we would have wished to have you longer. I was certain, as a fan of athletics, Mr. Speaker, that this is a gentleman who was going actually to do the sub-2.